Next class of polymer is polyacrylates. These polymers are obtained from the derivatives of acrylic acid. Acrylic acid is CH2 double bond C double OH. तो इसके जो डेरिवेटिव्स हैं उनसे जो पॉलीमर बनेंगे दे आर कॉल्ड एज polyacrylates. First polyacrylate is PAN. This is polyacrylonitrile. It is prepared from propene nitrile. N units of this. They are heated in the presence of organic peroxide. We get this polymer. This is polyacrylonitrile, popularly known as PAN. And in this case, what are the properties and uses of polyacrylonitrile? It is a hard, horny substance used in the preparation of blankets. Blanket बनाने में यूज होता है, स्वेटर्स बनाने में यूज होता है, बाथिंग सूट्स बनाने में यूज होता है, और सिंथेटिक कारपेट्स यूज होता है बनाने में, और जो है सनरूफ डोम्स बनाने में यूज होता है. ऊपर सन रेज को कैप्चर करने के लिए, उनको डिम करने के लिए, फेड करने के लिए इसकी डोम्स यूज होती हैं. देन वी हैव next polymer of this class, that is PMMA. This is polymethyl methacrylate. It is prepared from CH2 COOCH3. This is methyl methacrylate. Methyl methacrylate is used heated in the presence of organic peroxide. Then this will give you a chain. This is polymethyl methacrylate, This is our second polymer in the polyacrylates. It is used in the preparation of lenses, transparent domes, skylights बनाने में यूज होता है, aircraft windows and protective coating बनाने में यूज होता है. Then we have third polymer of this class. This is P, that is polyethyl acrylate. Polyethyl acrylate, it is a polymer of ethyl acrylate, CH2 double bond CH, COOC2H5. N units of this, they are heated in the presence of organic peroxide. Then we get CH2CH, COOC2H5. This is polyethyl acrylate. It is used in the preparation of clothes, in the preparation of blankets, as well as in the preparation of carpets. Carpets बनाने में भी इसको यूज किया जाता है. So this is our next class of polymer. They are polyacrylates. Now we come to another class of polymers. After polyacrylates, we discuss the other class, that is polyhalofins. They are the derivatives of olefins obtained by substituting one or more halogens in the olefinic system. First polymer is PVC. This is called as polyvinyl chloride. This is CH2 double bond CH, N units of this. are heated. Addition polymerization इसमें भी होगा in the presence of peroxide. We get this polymer. PVC flooring, PVC door, PVC windows, PVC articles, they are largely used these days. PVC is a hard, horny material. It is a plastic polymer, and its plasticity can further be increased by addition of plasticizers. For example, डाई एन ब्यूटाइल थैलेट इसमें डाल दिया जाए तो इसकी प्लास्टिसिटी को और बढ़ाया जा सकता है. इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ रेन कोट ये यूज़ होता है. हार्ड लेंसेज बनाने में यूज़ होता है. कर्टन क्लॉथ बनाने में, टॉयज बनाने में, आर्टिफिशियल फ्लोरिंग में यूज़ होता है. गुड इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल है ये. इलेक्ट्रिकल गुड्स में यूज़ होता है. फॉर मेकिंग ग्रामोफोन रिकॉर्ड्स भी ये यूज़ होता है. देन वी हैव टेट्राफ्लोरोइथाइलीन टेफ्लॉन. Polytetrafluoroethylene. It is the addition homopolymer of tetrafluoroethylene heated in the presence of organic peroxide. This is Teflon. Teflon जो है, it is very hard material and is resistance towards the heat, action of acids, action of chemicals such as acid, bases. It is bad conductor of electricity. It is used since it is very resistant to heat. It is used in the preparation of non-cooking, non-sticking utensils. For cooking articles, cookware, to make non-sticky and non-stick utensils. For making the baskets, packing में use होता है. Valves से use होता है. Oil seals में use होता है. Non-lubricated bearing बनाने में use होता है. Then we have third polymer, that is PCTFE. This is polymonochloro trifluoroethylene. So it is a polymer of monochloro trifluoroethylene. N units of it, they are heated. We get PCTF. So these are the three important polymers which come under the category of your polyhalofins. Properties and uses are similar to Teflon, and this polymer is also used in the preparation of non-sticking cooking utensils. बनाने में use होता है, and as an insulating material भी ये use होता है. After this we have some biodegradable polymers which are largely in use during these days because they are biodegraded and they do not cause pollution by any means. If they are thrown in the nature, they will biodegrade it to soil-like particles. So these are called as biodegradable polymer. These are those polymers. So biodegradable polymers, these are those polymers which are biodegraded by microorganism within suitable period of time into the degraded product, do not cause pollution. Therefore these polymers are highly useful during these days. First we have polyhydroxybutyrate. This is called as PHB. It is a condensation derivative of butanoic acid, 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. आप लीजिए, it is heated. On heating it will lose water molecule. You take an unit, it will give you this type of polymer. This is PHB, polyhydroxybutyrate, first biodegradable polymer. Then we have next PHBV. It is a, you can say, copolymer of butyric acid and caproic acid. Butyric acid is a 4 carbon carboxylic acid and caproic acid is a 5 carbon carboxylic acids. So polyhydroxybutyrate, we can also call it as PHBV, polyhydroxybutyrate valerate. This is called as PHBV. This is your butyric acid, and we have caproic acid. They are the hydroxy derivatives of these two compounds. Then we have COOH. This is your caproic acid, 5 carbon carboxylic acid. This is butyric acid. So these polymers, they can be prepared. We take in this case polyhydroxybutyrate, 3 hydroxybutanoic acid and 3 hydroxypentanoic acid. इसमें आपको लेना है 3 पे हाइड्रोक्सी लगाते हैं बेटा यहाँ, और 3 hydroxypentanoic. polyhydroxybutyrate valerate इस मोनोमर से इनसे बनेगा. They will lose water. ये जो OH है यहाँ से वाटर का लॉस होगा. CH3 जो है साइड में आ जाएगा. CH2, ये CO ग्रुप रहेगा यहाँ. फिर ये यहाँ पे जो OH ग्रुप होगा उससे कंबाइन करेगा ये, और यहाँ पे CH, ये जो है CH से कंबाइन कर गया. CH2, CH3 एक साइड पे आपने लगाना है, और आपने यहाँ COO लगा सकते हैं जो कि चेन बनाएगा, और नीचे आप CH2, CH3 लगा सकते हैं. This is PHBV, polyhydroxybutyrate valerate polymer. Then we have polyglycolic acid. Third polymer is polyglycolic acid, PLA. It is a condensation polymer of glycolic acid. It is heated in acidic medium or organic peroxide. N units of it, they will lose N water. This will give you polyglycolic acid, PGA. Then we have polylactic acid. It is a you can say condensation polymer of lactic acid. PLA. This is our lactic acid having CH3 group, OH group, as well as the COOH group in this case, CH3, CHOS, This is lactic acid. This is lactic acid. Now it is heated. It will lose an water molecule. Product will be CHOCH3. This is PLA, polylactic acid. So now we have next polymer is polycaprolactam. It is a derivative of caprolactam. Caprolactam से इसको बनाया जाता है. Caprolactam is first of all hydrolyzed. It is hydrolyzed with water in acidic medium to get you epsilon caproic acid CH2 5 NH2 epsilon caproic acid. Then it is heated and units of it are taken. They will lose water. This is polycaprolactam PCl. तो ये आपके पास कुछ polymers हैं. All of these biodegradable polymers, they have ester linkages which can be easily hydrolyzed. That's why they are easily biodegradable. The copolymer of PGA and PLA, they have found wide range of uses. A copolymer of PGA and PLA is used to make absorbate structures. ऐसे धागे threads बनाने में इनका इस्तेमाल होता है, which are used in the surgical operations to stitch the bones. क्योंकि with the passage of time, within 15 days of the operation, these stitches they get dissolved in the body and they do not cause any nuisance in the body. So biodegradable polymers, they are widely used in the medical goods such as surgical structures, tissue in growth material for controlled drug release, devices preparation, plasma substitute, etc. Then we have the molecular masses of polymers. There are two methods of expressing molecular masses of polymers. सभी polymers के जो molecular masses हैं, they are expressed by two ways. एक है number average method. What is number average method? If N1 is the number of molecules with molecular mass M1 in the polymer, N2 number of molecules with molecular mass M2 and N3 number of molecules with molecular mass M3, then number average method that will be given by N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus N3 M3 divided by total number of molecules N1 plus N2 plus N3. Then we have second method of expressing molecular mass, that is weight average molecular mass method. इसमें आपने W1 एक तरह के मोनोमेरिक यूनिट का टोटल मास है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास, W2 दूसरी तरह के मोनोमेरिक यूनिट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास, थर्ड जो है मास है तीसरी तरह के यूनिट्स का मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास अपॉन वेट W1 W2 plus W3 here. So you put here W in place of W1, you put N1, M1 का स्केयर हो जाएगा प्लस N2 M2 का स्केयर हो जाएगा प्लस N3 M3 का स्केयर हो जाएगा and divided by N1 M1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3, और यहाँ पर आप कह सकते हैं ये बराबर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं समेशन ऑफ Ni Mi अपॉन Ni। ऊपर के केस में, नीचे के केस में आप कह सकते हैं समेशन ऑफ Ni Mi स्क्वायर अपॉन Ni Mi। ये दो मेथड हैं, and it has been seen weight average molecular mass is always greater than number average molecular mass. And then we have the polydispersity index. What is polydispersity index? Polydispersity index, PDI. This is the ratio of m bar W to m bar N. If this ratio is equal to 1, polymer is homogeneous. यूनिफॉर्मिटी होगी उस पॉलीमर में, गुड क्वालिटी का होगा। If it is not equal to 1, कम ज़्यादा है, पॉलीमर इज हेट्रोजीनियस, उसकी कंपोजिशन सेम नहीं होगी थ्रू आउट, नॉट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी, ये गुड क्वालिटी का पॉलीमर नहीं होगा। So this is regarding molecular weight expression of the polymers and PDI, polydispersity index. PDI is polydispersity index. This ratio should be equal to 1 for better quality of polymer. If it is not equal to 1, the quality of polymer is not better, that is not good. Then we come to the last topic in this unit, that is regarding high density and low density polythene. What are low density and what are high density polythene? What is low density and high density? Polythene. So low density polythene, which is loosely packed, it has highly branched structure in polymeric chains. Due to these branches, the different polymeric chains, they do not come close to each other, so it is loosely packed. It is prepared by heating ethylene over 350 to 370 Kelvin under a pressure of 1000 to 2000 atmosphere. ये इथाइलिन है, इसको आपने 350 से लेके 370 केल्विन पे गर्म करना है, प्रेशर ऑफ 1000 to 2000 एटमॉस्फेयर रखना है। दिस इज योर लो डेंसिटी पॉलीथीन। Then we have high density polythene. They are polyethylene chains. They are packed close together. They have more per unit mass. It has closely packed structure with linear chains. It is prepared under low pressure of 300 to 500 atmosphere. 300 to 500 एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर रखना है, 350 to 370 केल्विन टेम्परेचर रखना है। We get high density polythene. Polymeric chains are so close together. So these are two varieties of polythene which are used in the industry. Then let us do some oral questions. Name some addition polymer. We have studied a lot of addition polymer. All the polyolefins and polyhalofins, they are called as addition polymers. जैसे कि पॉलीइथाइलिन है, पॉलीस्टाइरीन है, पॉलीटेट्राफ्लोरोइथाइलिन है, PCTFE है, टेफ्लॉन है, ये सब एडिशन पॉलीमर्स हैं। कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर्स की बात की जाए, डेक्रोन या टेरेलिन एक कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर है, बेकेलाइट फॉर्मल्डिहाइड रेजिन एक कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर है, इसी तरह से मेलेमाइन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड रेजिन इज आल्सो ए कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर। अब हमें बताना है सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्सेस किन में होगी। एक हमारे पास ब्यूना एस रबर है, नाइलॉन 6,6 है, पॉलीथीन है। नाइलॉन 6,6 एज वी नो इट हैज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, सो इट हैज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स। नंबर 2 पे पॉलीथीन आएगा, नंबर 3 पे ब्यूना एस रबर आएगा। उसके बाद अगर आपसे पूछा जाए नायलॉन 6, PVC और नियोप्रीन में सबसे ज़्यादा जो है जो स्ट्रेंथ है, इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स है, वो किस में है, तो नायलॉन 6 में है। हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इनमें हो जाती है। PVC नंबर 2 पे है, नियोप्रीन नंबर 3 पे है। राइट, मोनोमेरिक यूनिट्स ऑफ नायलॉन 6,6। नायलॉन 6,6 में एक हेक्सामिथाइलिन डाइअमीन होता है और एक एडिपिक एसिड होता है। नायलॉन 6,10 में एक हेक्सामिथाइलिन डाइअमीन है और दूसरा एडिपिक बेसिक एसिड पाया जाता है। सो दिस इज ऑल रिगार्डिंग द पॉलीमर्स। आफ्टर दिस वी विल स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट यूनिट ऑफ द केमिस्ट्री 12th क्लास, दैट विल बी आवर केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ। वो यूनिट हम डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ, दैट विल टेकिंग tomorrow. Thank you very much.